Hi there, and welcome back. I hope you've seen the message from our school coordinator, Mr. Carlson. He had a lot of great things to say, and to add on to some of the things he said, I'm going to show you a few things that are the same and different about our school. So, if you were with us last year, our Westminster Virtual Academy website, you can still get there by going to mywps.org/WVA. Now, once you are there, we have simplified this homepage to all go to a cleaner looking website. So a lot of these links will go directly to one place, which is the Westminster Virtual Academy family website resources. So across the top, we did take out some links, so pay attention. The About page will go to what WVA is all about. We do have teacher pages. They look a little different. We've designed them up a little bit more, and I'll get into that. Online apps is obviously where you can find a lot of links for apps to use, and we will try to keep our calendar updated. Then here along the side, all of this goes to our family website. These links here are our outside links that go to the various apps we use, like Empower, our Buzz online login. We will still be using Buzz, although the content might look different. Infinite Campus, and then a couple of others. Announcements will always be here. So once we dive into our family website, that looks like this. Our homepage might change up a little bit. We added some welcome back videos to introduce you to our coordinator and our staff. So here's a message from Mr. Carlson. Here's messages from the middle school teachers, the interventionists, our school counselor, our math and science teachers. If these move off the front page, they will be on our they will likely be on our staff page here after a while. Here's a message from Mr. Carlson reminding students and families of important things. And then down here, we have a lot of details about what our school is all about, what the job of the student, the parent, and the teacher is in an online format. And then here we will have more information about how to get started with us. So under here, we have About Us. We will have information about our staff, information about our curriculum, our English learners, our CLD, a glossary of terms. We use words like asynchronous and synchronous a lot, as well as a variety of others. So those will all be here if you have questions about a word. And if it's not here, let us know. Under Get Started, we will have step-by-steps of how to get started with us once you have gotten your Chromebook. What's next? We don't have everything in here quite yet. And then we have a lot of resources right here. Our teacher pages will be here. You can either click this link here or go to the drop-down. So if we click on the link, now, not all teachers have put in their links yet, but in here we have our middle school links, we will have our high school links, and we have our interventionists. So if you're looking for a particular teacher like Miss Terry or Ms. Terry or Mrs. Wong, you can click their link. That'll take you to their page. It has their details, their links, their assignments, teacher contact information, etc. So every teacher will have their teacher page right here. It'll open a new window. If you bookmark those by hitting that star and then showing your bookmarks, show bookmarks bar, then that will appear here. So if you click that star and then show bookmarks, those will appear here. So then you can immediately get to each of your teacher pages. Regarding communication, we send out a communication every Sunday afternoon through email. We will also post them here. So on our homepage, down here under this tab, or up here under announcements, We'll have announcements here, and then we'll have those weekly family updates right here. So that if you missed it in email, you should be able to find them on our website. We'll also put announcements here that we're also on this homepage. Another great feature of this website is the support videos under the Get Started link. These have a whole bunch of videos about how to get started with WVA, how to use your different features on your Chromebook, how to do email, how to use Empower, Infinite Campus, etc. So, for example, logging onto your Chromebook, password reset, splitting your screen to see Zoom and your screen, enabling your microphone if it's disabled, bookmarking important websites is a video here again, as well as how to send and receive email. So that can be found again under support videos here. Also, if you happen to be on this page, the link is here, support videos. If you guys have any questions or need technical support, you can click here for tech support, which does go back to our website. So that is also under resources, tech support. Here's a technology hotline. Here's the front office. And then here's a bunch of things about how to do things with your computer or, get help. So let us know if you have any questions. Again, go to teacher pages to reach out to teachers. Visit our staff page to find a particular teacher here. And we are excited to see you this year. Back in Empower, you started with day 1 with our welcome. Please continue through day 1 on the first day. There is a activity to do and then a quiz. Not all of these have been completed when I made this video, but there will be an activity, then a quiz, an activity, then a quiz, an activity, then a quiz, etc. So go ahead and work through day 1. If you need to reach us, we are in a open Zoom session, which that link has been posted on our teacher page and is also in this welcome activity under resource, or like on the goals page. It will be on this page here. Will be that Zoom link, as well as on our teacher page, as well as our homepage. We'll have that Zoom link in a variety of places for you to get started. So if you need help and you don't get it, or you just want to chat with us and find out who we are, join us on Zoom Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. All right, that will do it. See you later, guys. Let's have a great school year. And then please remember to watch Mr. Carlson's video as well.